Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to redeem Fortnite gift cards. So once again, hop onto the Epic Games page and go to your account. So click on the top right corner right here, click onto your account, and you'll be launched to your account settings. And in this list down here, you can see this section right here, redeem code. We want to click on that, and then you're already here. Right here you can type in the code. So if you got a Fortnite gift card from the store, or if you bought it online in the shop, you can redeem it right here by entering the code, then hit redeem, and then make sure that you're logged in with the correct account. So make sure you're logged in with the account that you want to have the V-Bucks or the skin on. If you're logged into another account, then the V-Bucks will be loaded onto that account. So make sure you're logged in with the correct account. And if you got a Fortnite V-Bucks card, so not just a skin card or a normal pay safe code, then you want to click down here. You want to click this link and you'll be sent right here. Click on get started, and right here you can enter the code. If you bought a Fortnite V-Bucks card, you just have to flip it around, and on the back side you can see the pin you want to type in. You type that in here, click on next, and then again the V-Bucks will be added to the account you are logged in with.